Hello!
Hi!
So we
Okay.
are going to make Leche Flan today.
Yep.
Because that's Gabby's favorite.
Yes.
And Mika.
Yeah, me and my sister's favorite.
So to make Leche Flan, what do we need?
We need 9 eggs, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, sugar for like the top thingy, and
Caramel.
yeah, caramel. And that's all I remember.
So okay, we're gonna start separating the yolk and the white of the egg. But let me start it first, okay?
Okay, and you see how you do it.
So we're gonna crack it like this. This one is the hardest, the hard way. Because you gotta, see? Whoop, whoop, oops.
Oops.
And then we're
You
just
get the
trying.
yolk. And you put it here.
Yep, we're just cleaning it up. And then when you get the yolk already, transfer it there. Can we put this in there? You wanna try it? Okay? Yeah, do that. Okay, slowly, just hold it still. Transfer it back over there. There you go. So you made one. So you wanna try another one?
Sure. This is easy. What's the easy method?
The easy method is, remember, we use a water bottle. You squeeze the water bottle so that it can suck the yolk.
Yeah, I remember that. But we don't have any water bottle
No,
for
we
this.
don't. So that's good. It's so easy to make leche flan, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that one time in the video. It was troubling, but looking back now, it's so easy.
Now that we have the egg yolk, we're gonna need 1 can of the evap milk and 1 can of the condensed. See? For
Everything?
the whole can, yeah. This one, just pour it.
Mix?
So go ahead, start mixing it. Mix, 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 but careful. So we're gonna put a little bit of zest.
Oh, you put zest?
You can put zest. So
I love things with lemon zest. And I love sour things.
there you go, just a little bit.
Oh, I smell it. It smells so
There
good.
you go.
Yeah, so the lemon zest is optional.
And then we're gonna put some vanilla.
Vanilla extract or whatever
Yeah.
it's called.
Maybe just a little bit,
Cap.
like a teaspoon. A little bit of salt. Maybe just that much. Pinch of salt. So this is how you get rid of the impurities. So we're gonna transfer it here.
Oh, that's salt.
And also Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year's Eve, but if it's when it's released, I think it might be New Year's.
New Year.
Yeah.
That's why we're saying Happy New Year now.
Yep.
The caramel sugar already. We prepped this earlier, but we're gonna show you how we made this. They're already cold, so we're just gonna fill this up first. We're gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees and we're gonna cook this in the oven for 50 minutes to 55 minutes and then it's gonna be ready.
Yep.
So we're going to cover them with aluminum foil so that when we're steaming it or baking it, the water will not go inside. Okay, so 375. For now, I'm gonna put the leche flan. And we're gonna put some water first. Put it in there. Back. Put this one in here. Be careful. So we're gonna close it and then 55 minutes, 375. So open it up. Are you ready, Gabby?
I'm ready.
So, what do you think of the Leche Flan?
It's good.
It's good? Eat it!
I did.